Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the band and opening the case back. This gives direct access to hands and dial. Use a small driver and a soft pad to prevent scratches, and make a quick photo of the current hand alignment so you can restore it precisely later. Once the case is open, remove the module retaining screws and set the module on a clean, static-free surface. Make sure to handle components with plastic tweezers. You want to avoid metal contact that can bend or magnetize the hands. Now you remove and realign the hands. Use proper hand levers or a puller and lift straight up. If you twist, the posts can bend. Once removed, inspect and clean the post and hand holes with a blower. Debris causes misalignment. When refitting, place the hour first, then minute, then second, seating each perpendicular to the dial to keep height consistent. Press evenly with a crystal-safe pusher so the hands clear each other and the crystal. This prevents rubbing and time errors. Finish by reinstalling the module and replacing the case back gasket to maintain water resistance. Once reassembled, set the watch to known times and cycle the hands through 12, 6, 3, and 9 to confirm clearance and smooth motion. If the watch stutters or stops, make sure the second hand isn't catching the minute pinion and that pressure on each hand is even. Loosen and reseat slightly if needed. If problems persist, recheck hand order and consider professional pressure testing for water seals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.